Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Studio Ghibli filter on your photos. So guys, if you want to turn your photos into Studio Ghibli art like this, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open ChatGPT and then you have to simply get the paid version of ChatGPT to create Studio Ghibli filters or to turn your photos into Studio Ghibli filter or Studio Ghibli art. So guys, this is the first way, and there is a free way also which you can use to turn your photos into Studio Ghibli art. So guys, that is you have to simply open any browser and search here for grok.com. Here it is, and then you have to simply sign up your account here, and after this, with the help of this website, you will be able to turn your photos into Studio Ghibli art. So this is the second way, and the third way is also there, that is you have to simply open your X account or X app, formerly Twitter. So guys, first of all go to Twitter, and from here you have to simply tap on Grok from here. So guys, here you can see this, simply tap on Grok, and from here you have to tap on this documents button and then go to photos, and you have to select any photos from here. So guys, here I am selecting this one, and from here you have to put here a prompt, that is turn this to Studio Ghibli art. So guys, after this tap on send button and wait here for the answer. So guys, within few seconds your photo will be turned to Studio Ghibli art here. So guys, wait here for some seconds. Once it is completed, then the photo will be turned to Studio Ghibli art within few seconds. So guys, this is the way which you can follow to turn your photos into Studio Ghibli art. So guys, here you can see this, the image is being created. So guys, here you can see the results. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.